Where are you going, Ivan?
Going to get my very first tractor.
Yay.
Let's go.
Another garden ornament.
Not garden ornament. She doesn't know what she's talking about. So, we're going to tractor. Yeah, that's alright. It's recording. Oh yeah.
Facing that way.
Set it on top. Sitting on the guard.
You might want to go forward a bit.
Put the tractor forward.
Yeah.
I don't want to go that much this way. Yep. That wheel's moved.
Yep. Down there. You reckon there? I reckon about there.
That was pretty nerve-wracking. There we go, brand new. In 1981. The tractor, I mean, not showing you. Just stepping it on. That'll buff out. That'll all buff out. Do that brand new tomorrow. Just the one strop, eh, Shane? Should be alright?
Yeah, she was right. Guaranteed to the gate.
I mean, that, you know, that's pretty safe. You get a warrant with that. It's just more shit flying off. So yeah, no, that's safe. That's good. Oh yeah, good idea.
Enough, mate?
Yeah. That's not going.
I wouldn't.
That's not
Hooked
going
on a
on.
hose.
Yeah, yeah.
Fuse box looks all good. Well, I think a couple of fuses might need a replacement.
Yeah.
CRC, be all
Yeah,
good.
yeah. I got the seat at home. Oh, this will be John. Let's keep those, weld those back on. You got a welder, Racing?
Yeah.
I'll be on the next one of those if this thing falls off.